Mode Selector knob. It is used to select the mode of operation. Mode of operation is classified into two groups. Automatic operation mode. It is a mode of operation in which the machine performs the operations automatically. Let's understand the types of automatic operation modes in CNC lathe. Memory or auto mode. In memory or auto mode, the operator calls and executes a program stored in the memory. The steps to operate CNC lathe in memory or auto mode are: firstly, select the memory or auto mode by turning the mode selector knob to memory or auto mode position. Press the Program Manager key. Now, select the required program with cursor up and cursor down key. Press the Execute Soft key. By this the selected program is displayed on the main screen. Then, press the Cycle Start Push button. Manual Data Input Mode, or MDI. Manual Data Input, or MDI mode is a mode of operation in which single-line programs, or short programs are created and executed. In manual data input mode, the instructions are given directly through the alphabet and numeric keys. Manual data input mode is used to rotate the spindle in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction with certain speed. Call the desired tool for the required operation. Position the tool at desired distance. Steps to operate CNC lathe in manual data input mode are: first, select the manual data input mode by turning the mode selector knob to manual data input position. After that, manual data input window appears on the screen where you can create a new program. Now, press the Cycle Start or CYST push button to execute the program. Note: in manual data input mode, every single line of program is executed by pressing the Cycle Start or CYST push button. Manual operation mode. In manual operation mode, the machine tool operates like a conventional machine. Jog mode, or jog. Jog mode is a manual operation mode by which the cutting tool is moved along the X and Z axis. The cutting tool movement is controlled by axis push buttons such as +X, -X, +Z, and -Z. The steps to operate CNC lathe in jog mode are: first, select the jog mode by turning the mode selector knob to jog position. Then, press the required axis push button to move the axis in the respective direction. Note: the cutting tool movement stops when the axis push button is released. Rapid traverse or rapid push button. The rapid traverse or rapid push button is used to move the cutting tool rapidly. Steps to move the cutting tool rapidly are: select the jog mode by turning the mode selector knob to jog position. Now, simultaneously press the required axis push button and the rapid push button to move the cutting tool rapidly in the respective direction. Handle mode or MPG. Handle mode is the manual operation mode in which the cutting tool is moved along the X and Z axes. Hand wheel or manual pulse generator or MPG device is used to move the tool manually. The steps to operate CNC lathe in MPG mode are: first, turn the mode selector knob to X100 position. There are 3 different speeds at which the axis can be moved. X1. In this mode, cutting tool moves 0.001 mm distance by rotating the hand wheel 1 division at a time. X10. In this mode, cutting tool moves 0.01 mm distance by rotating the hand wheel 1 division at a time. X100. In this mode, cutting tool moves 0.1 mm distance by rotating the hand wheel 1 division at a time. First, select the X-axis by the toggle switch at the side of the hand wheel. Note, toggle switch is the lever that is used to select the axis. X-axis movement. If you rotate the hand wheel in the clockwise direction, the tool moves away from the spindle along the X-axis. Similarly, if you rotate the hand wheel in the anti-clockwise direction, the tool moves towards the spindle along the X-axis. Now, turn the toggle switch to the Z-axis mode. Z-axis movement. If you rotate the hand wheel in the anti-clockwise direction, the tool moves towards the spindle along the Z-axis. If you rotate the hand wheel in the clockwise direction, the tool moves away from the spindle along the Z-axis. Note, the hand wheel provides a precise controlled movement of the axis. Zero return ZRN mode, or reference point return, REF. The zero return, or ZRN, is a manual operation mode, in which the cutting tool moves to the reference point. Note, the reference point is a fixed point, specified by the manufacturer, and cannot be changed. Note, zero return is also known as reference point return, or homing of axes. The steps to operate CNC lathe in ZRN, or REF mode, are: first, select the ZRN, or REF mode, by turning the mode selector knob to ZRN, or REF position. Then, press the plus X-axis push button. The cutting tool starts moving upward along the X-axis and reaches the reference point. Now, press the plus Z-axis push button. The cutting tool starts moving away from the spindle along the Z-axis and reaches the reference point. Note, reference point return operation must be performed first on X-axis and then on Z-axis.